Hi, I'm Sarah with CustomPilatesandYoga.com, and today I'm going to answer a question from a reader. Recently, someone wrote in and they were wondering what the recovery period of time is like after umbilical hernia surgery repair. And the answer is this, and sorry guys, it kind of depends on who you are. I know, that's a terrible answer. But you will be doing your checkups with your doctor. Your doctor will check to make sure that everything has healed. Okay, for everybody, that's going to be the same thing. That's going to be probably 3 to 4 weeks before your doctor looks at you and says, okay, you can lift something over 10 pounds now. And I use 10 pounds just as an example because that was what my weight limit was when I had umbilical hernia surgery repair. I couldn't lift anything above 10 pounds. So it was about 3 or 4 weeks and my doctor said, okay, you're cleared to lift. And the thing is, you get that clearance from your doctor, which is so great and so wonderful, but also you don't feel normal yet. So what needs to happen after that is you need to work on rehabilitating yourself. Now keep in mind, guys, you've just had a hole in your abdominal wall. Your abdominals are one of your major core muscles. Okay, they help you do literally everything that you do. Okay, so the surgeon has gone in, they've fixed up that hole, which is wonderful, but now you need to get the muscles used to working with that repair. Okay, they're kind of used to working with that big rip or that big hole. Now you need to retrain them to work effectively with the patch or whatever you had done to fix your rip. So this means physical therapy. Now you can do physical therapy with a physical therapist, or you can Google and find out what exercises to do for your umbilical hernia repair therapy. But you need to plan that there's going to be a time, even after the doctor clears you, where you need to work on exercises that are going to strengthen your core and make you feel strong and make you feel whole again. And then based off of which exercises you choose and how well you perform them and how committed you are to practicing them, that will determine how long it takes you to feel like your old self again. I hope that answer helps. If you have any questions for me, please leave it in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For more information on umbilical hernia repair and exercises that you can do to strengthen your core, please visit my website, www.CustomPilatesandYoga.com. Thank you.